Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Tuesday, October 27th, 7:16 a.m. here in the Arizona desert, and it's freezing. That can only mean two things: that Bitcoin's pumping, and it could possibly be the end of the world, because this is just biblical weird. All right. Looking at the market today, as we can see here at fiatleak.com, lots of fiat is rolling into the crypto market today here in the US. Look at that beautiful stream of Bitcoin rolling in. We got Ethereum people are buying. People are buying LTC. I can see them buying XLM and XRP. This is a wonderful day in the market. Let's look at Coin 360. As we can see, Bitcoin's coming in at 13,416 right now, up almost 2% last 24 hours. Ethereum, boom, back over 400 bucks. I hope you guys caught that swing trade when it was down at about 380. You're definitely up. LTC in the green, XRP hanging out at 25 cents, not quite making a move yet. With Bitcoin pumping today, it was a sharp pump. It's really moving up. It seems to be starting to get some sideways now. So we'll start to see these alts, a lot of alts, once Bitcoin stabilizes with a nice sideways, start to really explode. So be watchful. A lot of alts got crushed. Some rode up, like Link coming in up 2%. The volume last 24 hours over at Bitcoin trading volume is 1.8 billion. That's insane. That's massive. Something's going on. That's a lot. That is a lot. That is a recent all-time high when it comes to volume. 1 billion of that alone is on Binance. So since that's where the volume is, let's look at longs versus short sentiment right there. I'm going to refresh it real quick. Yep. 66% longs, 34% shorts, so there's no grumpy pants long shorting on Binance. The sentiment is long. Life is good. Long Bitcoin. All right, let's look at the traditional markets today. Right now, both the S&P and the Russell 2000, S&P on the top, Russell 2000 right underneath it, have both been struggling between a green and a red candle today, so a very indecisive doji there. What I can say that definitely means is the market's not opening strong or extremely weak, it's opening indecisively. All right, looking at the dollar strength index this morning, it's red. Okay, red candle, so it's not rocking this morning. And of course, I use the KRE to show bank strength, US bank strength. It's just an indicator. I think it has some relevancy. It's a red candle today too. So looking at the markets in general this morning, they are starting at best indecisively, if not slightly down. All right. This beautiful daily chart. We got a green candle, a green rocket ship to Pluto taken off this morning. This is a powerful daily chart. Look at the MACD. It is wonderful. The histogram is wide open. So as you can see, just look historically, when we get these beautiful MACD swings above the midline, as you can see how that reflects in the chart, it is a good thing. We are getting to be at the top of this one maybe, but you know what? Just like in all Forex, just like in Bitcoin and crypto especially, there ain't no top and there ain't no bottom, so we don't know when this is going to stop, but the momentum is definitely up. Will we challenge the top of this channel soon? Probably, maybe, who knows, but we're heading towards it right now. All right, on the 4-hour chart, we've got a green candle, of course, but now we're starting to have a red candle. So this momentum of this pump might be slowing, and that's fine because it was pretty intense. And as we go through this, we'll see we're finding some support at this new level. It's a good thing. Directional index is green. ADX is in a good spot. Stochastic RSI got room to move up. Bitcoin's taking a break right now in the 4-hour channel. We'll see what happens today. If you're a swing trader and you're trying to get that possible dip before it continues up, if you are optimistic like that, all right, so 12,803 is what I see here as a possible spot, a fib line. Basically, as you can see, we've wicked down to it. You never know. That would be a really killer buy if Bitcoin continues up, if it happened to wick down. All right, looking at the 2-hour chart, same thing. Basically, your 236 fib will be 12,800, 12,810 or so. Possible wick trade you might get. Look here at the 2-hour MACD. I love 2-hour MACD for Bitcoin. I think it's a very powerful indicator for immediate price action. As we can see, this MACD is positive and above the midline. That is wonderful. So the 2-hour MACD this morning is definitely good to go. Although, as you can see, some red candles here. We got one green and 2 red on the 2-hour chart here this morning. So we're starting to lose that momentum of this pump, and that is fine, because if you look here at this red moving average, that's the 8 moving average. If you can look historically, you're never going to stay that long, too far away from it, so we'll probably retrace a bit, but who knows. Let's look at the 4-hour charts. We have a very powerful positive 2-hour MACD, and here in the 4-hour charts, something I really like to see, we have one green candle. Now we're forming a red candle with a wick on it. Let's see, maybe this pump is beginning to slow. That's fine. If it does, it's a healthy spot for it to chill and gain momentum, gain power, build a foundation. So the 4-hour MACD just turned positive. This is a beautiful thing. It is above the midline. Histogram is widening. The blue line, MACD, has crossed the red line as signal. This is powerful. A daily MACD, which is extremely positive, a 4-hour MACD, which is extremely positive, and a 2-hour MACD, which is rocking. That's very, very good for Bitcoin's upwards mobility. I'm feeling pretty good this morning for Bitcoin. All right, looking at the 45-minute chart to get immediate price action. As you can see at some of these lower levels, around 12,900 and around 13,000, we do have beautiful buy-sell volume spikes. Those act like magnets. So if we dump, I think if we got, I'd be surprised if we dump below 13,000. I really would, be honest with you, but it's possible just because of these beautiful buy-sell volume spikes and previous support resistance in the chart. But looking at the fib, 12,800 is possible if you're looking for that. If you want to put that little magic buy in that might just fill. Not financial advice. I'm just a crazy person talking out loud. Now, we have built in a remarkably short amount of time a lot of buy-sell volume power, magnetism here at 13,400. And as we can see here on the fiat leak, I know this is like not some profoundly accurate thing, but looking at that, we have beautiful, beautiful amount of fiat into crypto this morning. But beyond that, I mean, look at this volume, 1.8 billion. This is insane. So that is definitely building buy-sell volume here for Bitcoin as it begins to find a sideways. And as it does begin to find that sideways, we are going to see some alts start to rock. Just going to look at Ocean BTC. It's a good example. We had an upwards channel as Bitcoin's been pumping, the last day or so. You can see it's been crushing it right out of that upwards channel, but it keeps trying to get back into it. I think we're going to see a lot of alts doing exactly this. So we're getting close to the election cycle and such. Myself, I'm being really careful with my alt trades, having a very tight stop loss. Bitcoin's making money anyway. Myself, I'm in USDT and Bitcoin. That's probably where I'll ride it out through the election, but I'll keep talking crap every day here on Bitcoin Daily View. If you want to know more, I got more for you. Whatisanaoperator.com, click on Bitcoin Daily View. All the stuff I dig. This YouTube channel, I have a Telegram group. I got a little, it's not signals, it's just a Telegram group that pumps out 200 moving average crosses for 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day on Binance. It's fun. Some books that I'm reading that I like, indicators I like, stuff I use and endorse. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. See you again tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Take care.